So did I just walk under the Widowmaker twice? 3 times? For a TikTok? Yes. Priorities. After some minor technical difficulties, finally recording. I charged the GoPro battery handle that I use, but apparently it didn't charge the camera, so my dumbass couldn't figure out why the camera didn't work. Turns out it needs to have electricity. Anyways, come join me. We're doing Bird River Canyon again. It's been about a year, and this time I'm wearing the spikes because I don't want to fall. Let's go. Good news, I'm already on the top. Bad news, it's just the start. Good news, I'll have to get back up here later. Bad news, winter's back. It was like -19 when I woke up this morning. Why do we live here? Why? The urge to just spin and put the girlfriend on camera and ask her why, but she doesn't like being on camera. Widowmakers. Don't know what they're attempting here, because you can see they tried to cut it down. All right. Fun was had by all. So did I just walk under the Widowmaker twice? 3 times? For a TikTok? Yes. Priorities. I can't show you, but the girlfriend is literally standing under the Widowmaker because she doesn't want to be on camera. And she doesn't trust me. It's me, checking the trail. Why? Because I don't want to repeat it last time. Upside, I may be going the right way this time. I also never completed this trail last time I was here, or both times I was here. I just went to the water. So I'm gonna leave the water till the end because it's worth the wait. All right, let's keep going. Apparently she is the queen of B-roll. Ah, well, hello her. Onwards. All right, so a bit of a weird one, guys. I don't know if you've seen, but I have a premiere coming up on the 7th of April. It is a really, really heavy topic. I am doing the live premiere, so if you want to watch and come chat, I'll be there. I'll be watching it there live with you guys. I'm finally putting to bed a really bad episode in my life, and that's kind of the last step for me, is sharing it publicly with everybody. So if you want to be there, cool. If you don't want to see that video, it touches on some heavy shit, so may not be for everybody. You guys, if you're familiar with my channels, none of my stuff has trigger warnings ever. That one's got a lot. So yeah, that's pretty heavy. Also, I've got another series coming up that's not hiking related, but it is fitness related. Let me know in the comments if you guys are excited for this one, though. It's going to be obese guy versus skinny guy fitness challenges. I've started a workout routine with a friend of mine from work. He's actually my apprentice. And Mervin, you guys would have seen him on one of my videos already. And we're going to do a series of challenges. Cardio, strength, stuff like that, and then real world. So we're gonna do like who can walk farther, who can, all this stuff. And we have challenges we're getting ready for each other. It's gonna be like a 4 or 5 video series. I'm even going to have like commenters challenges. So if you guys follow that series, make sure you comment down in the comments on those videos what you want to see us compete with, and we'll we'll give it the old college try. I know it's not my typical content, but I am getting more into wanting to do filmmaking, and a large part of this channel is documenting my life. So that's why I am sharing the more dark video on the 7th, and I'm doing this series of, you know, obese guy versus skinny guy, because it'd be fun. I exercise a lot. He does not. He doesn't exercise at all right now. So actually, like a prime example is my resting heart rate is actually almost half of his. So it'll be interesting to see where an untrained couch potato skinny guy compares against a fairly active obese person. Because I'm sure, as you guys know, I'm not exactly fat acceptance. Anyways, yeah, not exactly fat acceptance, but I think it'll be a really fun set of challenges. And then maybe we can redo them once a year to see kind of how we're both progressing. So if you guys are excited for that, let me know in the comments. I am keeping it on this channel. I was talking with Michelle, and she said, you know, my channel is, as much as it's a venture, it is around my fitness journey and my journey in weight loss and stuff. And as much as I'm not going to go back to releasing like Wednesday weigh-ins like I was doing a few years ago, I do plan as trying to grow as a filmmaker, branching out and do a couple different things. I have a couple different plans. We were actually just talking about one plan I've got for this autumn that it's going to be glorious. That one's keeping secret because it's going to be really good. But yeah, I figured I'd check in with you guys all. I'm doing really great. My mental health is amazing. I feel amazing. I still have a couple more doctor's appointments coming up. I need to go on estrogen blockers now, so that's new and weird, but it is what it is. I got denied bariatric surgery because I'm too fat, but I am now back at a point where the doctors say I can start lifting weights again. So I'm hoping by getting back into the gym and lifting weights again, that maybe I can kind of get the weight loss to speed up a little bit, and maybe I don't need the bariatric surgery. But it's always going to be an option there, because I will not get to age 40 and be obese. I refuse. Adamantly refuse. All right, let's keep hiking. This has already gotten too long. All right, guys, just about at the turnaround point. Let's go. Oh man. Check it out. Oh, it's more trails. Guess where I'm going? Side quest time. Oh gosh, this is cool. Oh, in case you guys maybe you know, I have to check with friends, but I was thinking also around November maybe going to Los Angeles to go hiking and meet up with some friends. If you guys have any tips or things I should know going to LA. General safety is not really an issue. I come from Winnipeg. Winnipeg is not the safest place in the world. No, globally there's places a lot worse, but Winnipeg is fairly terrible for a North American city. Oh, I can get right down there. All right, camera's going away for now. No, it's not. No, it's not. Change my mind. Shh, be very quiet. It's the photographer in her natural environment. Just with my iPhone because she forgot her camera. Hi. Guys, this canyon never ceases to take my breath away. Like, oh gosh. I was told to record when I come around this corner, so we're going to work my way down. We're going to do forward mode GoPro. We're not even at the other part yet. Oh, don't fall. Oh, doo-doo. God, I can't believe this is Manitoba. So I think that this is the one you're talking about. Been on the trail a little bit, just in this little valley. I'm about to climb out, so I figured I'd show it off. So, oh, this is so cool. So cool. There's other people on the trail. I feel weird filming around people I don't know, as well as really weird and kind of like a dick when the drone is up. So, second they got close, I put the drone down right away. There was a cave I was going to try to fly into, but don't want to be rude and ruin other people's experience with the noise, because the noise annoys me. So, well, time to climb out of this little valley. Oh, it's so cool. Side quest. I wonder where that goes. There's a random cable. Actually, that might be a good spot to get a shot. Let's go. Operation Side Quest. Are you guys liking this longer form content? I know for me, I was trying very hard to make my videos short and to the point, but some people like longer stuff, and I'm kind of growing to like it. That's so cool. About 10 minutes before we got to the first lookout, I was at a point where I was like, man, this is a really crappy loop. Why did I do the whole loop? Yeah, it looks a little bit cooler, but it's been a really cool extra experience. I'm happy to doing the whole loop today. Can hear water. I'm so excited. Ah, oh, gosh. Side quest again. Alright, I'm definitely on the ice. Oh gosh. Operation Side Quest. Ooh. Ooh. Oop. Oop. Sinking. Sinking. Oh God. Tree. Walk in. Ooh. There. And now I'm on top of the cliff we were just under. Huzzah! Another side quest. Not gonna lie, having done the whole trail, this one's almost disappointing. But it's also my third time here, so there's that. Oh. Take the super steep path. Why? Because it's steeper. Why not challenge myself? Out of breath, but we're doing it. If you made it this far, subscribe. Not many of my viewers are subscribers. I'm hoping to hit 5K this year. 2,300 to go, so, but I'm over halfway, that's what counts. Big thank you to my channel members. Amanda, Chris, Pat. Oh, forgetting to. There's Amanda, Chris, Patrick, Pam, and Alan. Yes, thank you all. One of them is actually my girlfriend, and she's giving me a dirty look. I appreciate your support. I will buy you dinner later. All right, let's keep going. Now I caught my breath. All right, guys, 3.35 kilometers, 64 meters. Elevation gain, lost like 4 different side quests. It was a great day. Oh my gosh. The rest of that trail, the backside sucks. It's just a green tunnel, but my gosh, when you get around to the riverside, it is amazing. The group that came at the end, like at the end of the trail, the same time we were there, they didn't even take the other, like, oh my gosh, they missed so much. They were there, they're taking pictures and stuff, so I got the drone down quick because I didn't want to bother them. And I'm like, okay, they're going to catch up to us at any time. Like, I don't hike very fast. I'm 400 pounds. So, like, I figure for sure they're going to catch up to us. I don't see them at all on any of the side quest trails. I don't see footprints when we're coming back up from the last, like, bit of water. And it wasn't until we got to the main trail we see their footprints back out and their car's gone, which means they went just to that first overlook I showed you guys and then missed, like, the next 4. If you guys watch my channel and you guys ran into me today, like, you got to come back and do the whole loop. It is amazing. Oh, not going to lie. It made the last one kind of disappointing. But it's also my first time completing this trail. Last time I did this trail, I was closer to 450, 460. Right now, I'm closer to 410. So easier. I'm sweaty. I'm hungry. I'm tired. So I'm going to have some lunch and drive on home. As always, guys, thank you all so much for watching.